Okay, so this is a conservation of words here. It says what force would make the block slide down the plane. So basically, a better way to say this question is what applied force is there besides all the other forces that are acting, right? What applied force is there that would be responsible for it if it's sliding down the plane with that acceleration? Okay. So what we have to do is we have to look at all the forces. One of the forces will be an unknown force, right? So I'm just going to say, I don't know. Okay, so that's the applied force, right? It is sliding down the plane. So if this thing slides down the plane, that means that friction is up the plane, right? So our kinetic friction, 43.89, would definitely be up the plane, right? Parallel force would definitely be down the plane of 96.43. That guy's definitely down the plane. And if we make up the plane positive, down the plane negative, this guy's negative, this guy's positive, right? This guy is we don't know, okay? And now we are accelerating, it says slide down the plane with an acceleration of that down the plane. So since that's down the plane, we have to make the acceleration negative, right? That's key there. We miss that where it's all over, right? So F equals ma. Okay, so our forces are negative 96.43 plus F, the unknown force, plus this guy is up the plane, right? 43.89. And those are all the forces. We got 3 forces. I'd love to write one that has like 4 forces. That would be like a high point of my career, but hasn't happened yet. Okay, so 12, and then our acceleration is down the plane, right? So I have to make it negative 1.5. If you're here, if you're watching this video, I bet you missed that, right? So that's down the plane. Okay. This guy, this is our force parallel. It's always down the plane. They're always there. It's always down the plane, right? This is our force of friction. It's a switch hitter. If we're sliding down the plane, it's up the plane, and vice versa, right? Okay, so let's see. I guess we solve for F. What is that? That's going to be 12 times negative 1.5. Okay, and then I'm going to subtract this guy. And I'm going to add this guy. Yeah? Let's see what I get. 34.54. Positive 34.54 newtons, right? That means up the plane, unambiguously, if we solve for that, right? Okay. Now, notice our answer there, I'd have to disagree. I'd have to say, I guess 35, right? Okay, so 35 newtons is what it should say in the answer key. There you go.